When you hold your hands up, you are in a posture of worship. A posture of worship. As long as we're in a posture of worship, we are winning the battle. As long as we are worshiping God, we are overcoming and tearing down strongholds. Hold your hands up before the Lord, give him a praise, and worship him. You are winning the battle. Whatever the battle is. God did a miracle in my life, and I will always testify about it. My whole life, I've been allergic to fruit. Allergic to fruit. And it was not a mental thing. When I eat apples, I break out. Hives. I get one bite of an apple, I get sick to my stomach. Nauseous. Break out and eat an orange, break out all over my neck and face. I swole up. I couldn't eat fruit. But God did something for me about 3 years ago. And the Lord says, I can change your appetite. I can change your appetite. Tell Lord, what do you mean by that? He says, I can change your appetite. And the Lord touched my body and healed me of this allergy. I didn't take any medicine. I didn't take any allergy shots, for allergies, that build up your immune system. Instantly, I picked up an apple and I was able to eat an apple. I couldn't believe it. I said, I'm eating apples. I can eat grapes. I can eat oranges. The Lord spoke to my heart again, says, I can change your appetite. It is a principle that holds true for anything in your life. Don't be deceived. God can change your appetite, whatever it is. An alcoholic